In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Pluxee Card. When you receive your Pluxee Card, whether a meal card or benefits card, it arrives inactive for security. To activate it in 2025, open your browser. I have Google Chrome open in here. Now, go to Pluxee's official activation portal. You'll be asked to enter your registered email or mobile number along with the unique 12-digit card reference number you'll find in the welcome email or physical kit note. This is not the actual 16-digit card number, as you can see in here. After entering the CAPTCHA, click Get Activation Code. You'll then choose between minimum KYC and full KYC. Minimum KYC is the faster route. It requires a valid document like a PAN, passport, or driver's license, and limits your balance to 10,000 across all Pluxee cards and wallets. It will also cap monthly credits to 10,000. If you only need basic usage like that daily meal allowance, this may be all you need. If you'd like to use the full range of features, including higher balance limits up to 20, choose full KYC. This process starts similarly with the activation code and OTP, but continues by collecting your PAN details and then guiding you through Pluxee's integration with the UIDAI portal for Aadhaar-based eKYC. You'll download an Aadhaar offline XML zip file, upload it back onto the Pluxee portal with the share code you created, and the system will either auto-approve your KYC or ask for a secondary document if your name doesn't match exactly. Once everything is verified, you'll receive confirmation both on the screen and via email or SMS that your card has been activated and is ready for use. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.